Health fitness involves exercising and working out to look and feel better. Your physical and mental well-being depend on it. Exercising can reduce your chances of heart disease and diabetes. It can also reduce the effects of depression and eliminate stress. The physical and mental benefits of health fitness are well worth the efforts. They will ensure you are able to live a healthier, happier life. Do you want to just live your life, or do you want to enjoy your life? The choice is yours. Health fitness involves finding activities that are going to improve your current fitness level. Everyone's current level of fitness is different, so improving your fitness level can be walking for 10 minutes, and for someone else it can be jogging an extra 1/2 mile. The point is, you have to start somewhere, and you should only compare yourself to where you want your health fitness level to be in the next year. Set realistic goals that are challenging but achievable. There are too many ways to improve your health fitness to count. You get to choose the activities that you are able to participate in that you enjoy. This is one way to motivate yourself. If you enjoy football, then go play it twice a week. If you hate aerobics, then don't do it. Look for another exercise that will help your heart, but that you like doing. For too long in our society, exercise has been viewed as something dreadful that we avoid at all costs. If you want your health fitness goals to be possible, then turn the entire situation into something positive. Health fitness isn't all about exercise either. How many of us take the time to meet our own needs on a regular basis? Not very many of us. Our careers and families keep us plenty busy. Take some time for yourself at least once a week for 1 hour. Use